tapping all the gears, guys. What's happening, people? Today, very special video, to me anyway. I don't know if you see by the title of the video. My friend's son, he's 7 years old, bless him, and yeah, he's autistic. So, you know, they're very in particular with when things are happening, their emotions go very high, like very overhyped stimulation, do you know what I mean? Like, very excited. And he loves cars. I believe he loves cars that little bit more than me when I was his age, and I was obsessed. So yeah, I've spoke to, you know, my pal, if he's alright with his son getting in the car and having a little drive and whatever, because he just loves this car. And he said yeah. So I'm on my way now to go and see little man. His name's Teagues. So yeah, we're gonna pick him up. Let's see how excited he gets, you know, like, they love it, don't they? Like, you know, when I was that age, I'd be well excited to get in a car of this sort of caliber. Do you know what I mean? I used to see cars all the time, and them times we never had phones to take pictures or videos of. Do you know what I mean? It was just all on YouTube. And them times we was recording videos on potatoes. You can't even tell half the stuff or hear things properly. See, I'm happy. This makes me feel really good to be able to do this for this little boy, and give him a little experience in the car. And I thought I'd show you guys, like, maybe you feel something out of this, you know? It's a good thing to see, like, to give the kids of today some petrol head footage and experience, because everyone's going EVs and I'm not going EVs. I'm not doing it, never. No thank you. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll go to the bit when Teagues jumps in. Let's go.
It's gonna go super loud.
Well, this is Teagues.
Yeah?
1 minute, Teagues. 1 minute, Teagues.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
You're waiting. You want to start it? Yeah?
Did it go loud?
Yeah, is that loud? You open the window?
Yeah.
Is that loud?
Whoa! Dad! It's loud! Is it connected to your
Yeah,
phone?
we're connected, yeah. Yeah?
Let me
So, yeah,
just put the
this-
window up.
This is my mate's son, Teagues. He loves cars. I've never seen a child love cars more than Teagues. So we're taking him out on a nice drive in the M140i. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it nice and loud?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Is that cool?
Yeah, let's go in sport mode.
Oh,
Rev
sport.
it now.
Okay, sport
Rev
mode.
it now.
Rev it now? Okay, let's do Sport Plus.
Rev it now. Now go on all the way to number 6.
All the way to number 6. Is that good?
Yeah.
Right, you got your seatbelt on? Yeah?
I have. I've
Okay.
got my seatbelt on.
Alright, I'll do some driving. Yeah?
But can I go in the plus gear?
I'm gonna do it. I have to do it. I'm driving. You just relax. Open the window a little bit.
Oh, stop.
Yeah? Right,
let's
and then
do
let's go. Check everywhere, safe. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to put all the way my window down now.
Yeah? It's up to you. He's so excited, guys. Oh.
Oh, my child, pop.
Did you hear it? Pop, pop, pop. Yeah?
Yeah, but where's Daddy?
Oh, he's back there. He's got to wait for us. We're going to do the video. Did you hear that TT?
Yeah.
The Audi TT just went past. He heard it straight away. You ready?
Yes!
I apologise if the wind noise is bad, people. It's a bit windy in here. We need to close it a little bit, yeah? Just for the people that are watching. You can still hear it out the back though. What engine is this? What engine is this?
It's
M140?
a P58, guys. So
See? He knows.
This is a P58 in
Tell
the
him.
engine in the car.
Yeah, good man. See, boy, see, guys, he's 7 and he knows what engines are what. Is this automatic or manual?
Automatic.
Yes, good lad.
See, I'm automatic.
You playing with the iDrive? You playing with the iDrive, yeah?
But what? Where's sport mode?
Sport mode's on. We're in sport mode.
Oh yeah.
We're in sport mode, yeah?
No, I want the screen to go like 100 or something.
Oh, the dials.
Yes, the dial.
Oh, there you go.
No, not that one.
This one?
Yeah. But can I go in the red mode?
Yeah.
Let me see where the red mode is.
He loves it. Look at him.
Oh yeah, now we're in red.
Red, that means Sport Plus.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
3,
3, 2,
2, 1,
1, go!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Keeps opening the windows. He's loving it. Oh man, do you know what? Doing this video is so cool. Because when I was this age,
Yeah.
I love cars like you, Teeks.
What,
And I'd love to be on YouTube.
Did you love the M140i when you had it?
When I was little, no, they weren't out when I was little. When I was little, there was different cars.
What,
M3s. There was like E46 M3s.
No M140i's.
No, there was no M140i's.
Do you love?
Does this sound good, does it?
Yeah, super loud.
That's B58 bangs.
Oh, we came back here.
Yeah.
Wait, Daddy's there! Daddy's there!
Yeah, Daddy's over there. We're going for more drives. It's going to go for another 5-minute drive. You can do countdown, or do you want to just relax? What do you want to do?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. M4, M5. Can I rev it from the paddle shifters now?
Teeks can see all the gears on the Digi Dash, and he's... Alright, that's enough. He's dropping all my gears. He's trying to do a money shift in my car.
Can we do manual shifting?
I'm doing it here. You just did it, look.
No, this manual shifting.
Oh, this one, you can use that. Yeah, look, you push forward. That's it. That's enough. That's fire coming out the back.
Where's?
There's fire. You can't see it from here, but there's fire coming out the back. Bang, 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 bang.
Well, I
Okay,
did it
no
now.
more now. Let me do it, just in case. We don't want a money shift. Yeah, money shift. That means when the engine goes bang and brakes.
That's it.
Yeah, is that right? That's good. That's a good height for the window, so you can still hear the B58, and there's not much wind noise. So the people
Guys, so this is a free
M
3M
M1.
M140i.
There you go. Yeah.
So we're gonna have a.
What car does your dad have?
Huh?
What car does Daddy have? Your daddy.
So my dad has an Audi S3, but it's more different than an M140i
Why is it different?
because your one's more faster than his.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What's this one? How much power?
Maybe
This much.
500.
Yes. And Daddy's is.
300.
Yes. Good lad. See? You know, don't you? Clever boy.
Did you used to be interested in cars when you was a little kid?
Yes, I was
Are
just.
you still
I was a
interested?
little bit less than you.
Are you still interested in cars?
Oh yeah, definitely. I love cars. Why do you think I do YouTube? I love the YouTube on the cars. And you always watch it, don't you? You said.
Can I now rev it?
No. I'm gonna do it. You just enjoy it and listen. Yeah. Okay. 3,
2, 1.
Leave it.
Oh!
He's dropping all the gears, guys.
I love
You're loving it.
Let's rev it to them.
That's it, that's enough.
Oh, them boys here though.
Yeah, we can't drop it to first gear at 40. You might break something.
I might break the gear stick.
And then that will be very bad. That will be...
Yeah, and then you won't be...
Can't drive. We won't be able to drive, won't we?
No, we won't be able to go in... we won't be able to go in sport class.
There we go, yeah. Alright, let me speak to the guys now on YouTube, okay?
Okay.
So yeah, guys, I just wanted to take Teagues out for a drive because I think he loves cars a little bit more than me, and he's only 7, and it's unreal what he knows for his age. So yeah, I thought I'd take him out, make him happy. You know, you can see him, he's smiling, and so yeah, that was it really. I just wanted to take him out. It's my friend's son, and yeah. What do you want something to say, Teagues? You want something to say to the people? Are you telling them to go buy B58s or S3s?
Go buy 58.
Go and buy B58s, people.
Go buy a P58 and go get an M140i.
And what noises do they make?
One bang bang bang. You have to get one bang bang car, guys.
So there you go, guys. Teague said you got to go and get B58s to be cool. So yeah, that's going to end the video. And from me and Teagues, we're both going to say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video.
See you later, guys. He's still dropping gears.